Crypto is not for the faint-hearted. Bitcoin, oh my god, man. I've been in Bitcoin since like 2015, so I'm used to this volatility. And it's so hard to predict what's going to happen because I had this channel drawn and it had broken that channel. And I was worried. I was thinking, oh, great, it's going to fall even lower. And then I drew this resistance line. And now it's somewhat recovered. And it's poking its head up above this resistance line. And so, yeah, who knows what's going to happen now. Hopefully, it's going to do maybe something like that and just stay in this channel. I was looking at my long-term chart as well. It had broken that. And I was thinking, oh, great. And it hasn't quite come back into this yet, but it's almost there. And I was looking at ETH as well. Like I was saying, look, ETH, we really don't want to lose this 3,700 level. We almost did. And, we did break this little channel here. And, yeah, we're back in it. And so it's not game over. ETH probably has this same kind of resistance line here that it needs to break through. It hasn't broken it yet. So yeah, crypto is not for the faint-hearted. So if you're thinking of getting involved, this is just teasing us as well. It broke this channel, this rising wedge, and then it's just come straight back in. I do say to people, look, if you're going to invest in crypto, and this is a great chart as well, actually. Like, this is really good price action. It's bounced off of this trend line and it's on its way up again. So this is good market price action. And so, I know we had a bit of a drop. Everyone was panicking. And I'm going to make a separate video in terms of why is everything so bullish and why are stocks and gold and everything else moving, but why is Bitcoin not? And even stocks had a bit of a tumble. And it just doesn't make sense, right? But when you actually think about it, there's liquidity. There's only a certain amount of money and there's only so much to go around, and you can't pump everything at the same time unless you have more fresh liquidity. I'm just trying to think of an example. It's like having, I don't know, just say, for example, you have 5 houses and you only have a certain amount of money. You need to renovate them all, but you can only renovate one at a time. But if you make more money, then you can renovate all of them at the same time. And so I know that's not the best example, but yeah, the markets are kind of like that. You've got different markets. There's only a limited amount of liquidity. And a lot of it's gone into gold. Like if you look at gold, it has pumped like crazy this year and it has been one of the better investments. And that money comes from somewhere, right? Like just look at it from let's just look at it from 2024. So 2024, gold has increased by how much? It's a good 100%. And it takes a lot to move the gold price because the market is so huge. And yeah, like it is bullish, but there's only so much money to go around. And at the moment it's been pumped into stocks and gold, and it will come back into crypto. It will. We just need to be more patient. So yeah, I'm not panicking. I know we had a bit of a tumble yesterday, but we have somewhat recovered. And yeah, like it is mathematics, demand and supply. It will eventually go up. I'll see you in tomorrow's update.